Hello friends, let us solve next problem or the continuation of the previous problem only. Okay, in the same what we are supposed to draw, let us make this as black only. Okay, it is cut, see, it is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP inclined at 30 degree to the HP, passing through the point on the axis 75 mm from the bottom face, isn't it? Height is 70, so from the bottom it is 35, means it is bisecting the axis. Okay, no, it is not like that. It is not bisecting the axis. It is offset from the bottom. Offset, not over here, over here. Offset 35 from the bottom. Okay, and angle is 30 degree. So a line from here at an angle, no, at the distance 30 at an angle 30. Okay, I have drawn one line, unwanted extra line I am going to trim. Okay, now here slant height is given, so that is why that slant height needs to be marked like this, 70 mm. Okay, then this is what is the axis, which will be in yellow color. This is what is the axis, center line, which will be in the white color. Naming is not given, so let us do the naming part. A, B, C, D. Over here 2 points, 1 point over here, again over here, and these are the different points. Apex point. Done. Here also we need to give the points. If we edit, this is what is the point B, this is C, point D, this is point M, and this is point N. Okay, so this is A and D, point D. So this is point M, this is B and C, B, C, this is point N, so this base is N, this is B, C, D, and that is A again. Okay, so naming is done. Now what we need to do? Cutting point we need to transfer. Okay, let us transfer the cutting points. Ortho needs to be on. Circle. Okay, and it needs to be trimmed from these 2 points. Done. Now as it is, what is the square pyramid, so straight lines we are going to draw. From first point is A point. Okay, so line A, B point is where it is, B is over here, B, this is, so this will be B point, then C on the same, D over here, and A over here. So this is what we are going to get. So if we erase the projection lines, isn't it? This is what we are going to get. Are you getting me? Now if we want to see the only part in which we are interested, so let us draw that by the yellow color, which you are going to draw the dark one. So this is how we are going to draw. If we copy this object and if we see the only cut portion, then we will have to erase the white lines. And this is what the solution we are going to get. Have you understood this? I hope you have understood this. But during the examination, you are not supposed to separate it out. Okay? During the examination, you are supposed to draw this object like this only. These yellow lines will be the continuous thick line, and these white lines will be continuous thin line. Okay? I hope you are liking the videos. If you have anything to comment, if you have anything to suggest, kindly comment that suggestion in the comment box. If you are liking the video, please click the like button. If you are liking the video, share this video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon. Thank you so much.